Francis Joseph Guevara Escudero, or Chiz as most Filipinos know him, is one of the youngest lawmakers to serve in Congress and among its most popular members, having consistently won elections in the House of Representatives and later on in the Senate, where he was voted at the top of the senatorial bracket. A lawyer and a professor of law, Chiz is a product of the University of the Philippines, from primary all the way to law school. He passed the Philippine bar in 1994 and went on to obtain a master's degree in international and comparative law at Georgetown University Law Center in Washington, D.C. in 1996. He entered politics in 1998 when he was elected representative of the 1st District of Sorsogon. He served 3 terms, during which he served as Assistant Majority Floor Leader and House Minority Floor Leader. Chiz was named one of the country's 10 outstanding young men toiling for youth leadership, the only Filipino to be named Asia News Network's Asia's Idols, honored as one of the world's young global leaders by the World Economic Forum, and received the Rotary Golden Wheel Award in recognition of his contributions in political governance and the legislative field. Francis Joseph Chiz Guevara Escudero, born October 10, 1969, is a Filipino politician and lawyer who has served as the 25th President of the Senate of the Philippines since 2024, a member of the Nationalist People's Coalition. He has served as a Senator of the Philippines since 2022 and previously from 2007 to 2019. He served as the spokesperson for the unsuccessful 2000 for presidential campaign of Fernando Poe Jr. in the aftermath of the ensuing Hello Garcia scandal. He supported the efforts to impeach President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. He unsuccessfully ran for Vice President of the Philippines in the 2016 elections as the running mate of Grace Poe. Escudero returned to the upper chamber after being elected in the 2022 election. In 2024, he was elected to the Senate presidency after a successful effort to oust his predecessor, Juan Miguel Zubiri, from the office. His leadership of the Senate has been marked by his handling of the impeachment of Sara Duterte, which has received a mixed reception. Escudero married Christine Elizabeth Flores, who is a singer and stage actress, in 1999. They have 2 children, fraternal twins, Quino and Chiz. Born September 7, 2007, they separated after 6 years' marriage and were granted a civil annulment in 2011. Escudero has custody of their 2 children. In 2012, the senator began dating local actress and TV talk show host Heart Evangelista. Their engagement was announced in August 2014, a few months after Escudero obtained church annulment of his first marriage. On February 15, 2015, Evangelista and Escudero married on Balasan Island, off the coast of Palillo, Quezon. In 1999, Escudero was awarded Youth Achiever in government. In 2000, Most Outstanding Congressman and Outstanding Public Servant of the Year. And in 2005, he was one of 10 outstanding young men toiling with the Philippines awardees in recognition of his youth leadership. In 2007, Escudero was the only Filipino named as Asia's News Network's Asia's Idols. In 2008, he was given the Anak TV seal as the most admired TV personality. He was also honored by the World Economic Forum as a young global leader in the same year in recognition of his professional accomplishments, commitment to society, and potential to contribute to shaping the future of the world. Escudero received the Rotary Golden Wheel Award for Political Governance and Legislation in 2012. Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 vlogs.